Díoghuid agus fáilte arás. In this Irish language video, I'm going to give you some words and phrases to help you describe different types of food in Irish. Let's start off with the Irish for potatoes, which is prátaí. Prátaí. And práta is the singular potato. Mashed potatoes is brúitín. Brúitín. Bíonn prátaí ag fós ag mo dad. My dad grows potatoes. Bíonn prátaí ag fós ag mo dad. Next we have leta, which is the Irish for porridge. Leta. And bowla letin is a bowl of porridge. Bowla letin. Bíonn tú I gceart I gcóir an lé tar éis bowla letin. A bowl of porridge really sets you up for the day. Bíonn tú I gceart I gcóir an lé tar éis bowla letin. Next we have the Irish for chips, which is scalóga. Scalóga. And mála scalóg is a bag of chips. Mála scalóg. Iasc agus scalóga is fish and chips. Iasc agus scalóga. Dordíomar steak agus scalóga. We ordered steak and chips. Dordíomar steak agus scalóga. Next we have tosta, which is the Irish for toast. Tosta. And slasheen tosta is a slice of toast. Slasheen tosta. Cuireadh mise im ar an tosta. I will put butter on the toast. Cuireadh mise im ar an tosta. Next we have seachloid, which is the Irish for chocolate. Seachloid. Císte seachloid is a chocolate cake. Císte seachloid. And bara seachloide is a bar of chocolate. Bara seachloide. Is bralum seachloid. I love chocolate. Is bralum seachloid. Tá dúil mhór agam sa chocolate. I have a great weakness for chocolate. Tá dúil mhór agam sa chocolate. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And don't forget to let me know in the comments section some of your favourite foods in Irish. Thanks very much for watching. Agus slán go fóill.